Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I hope you all are well and fine. So today's topic is Nipah virus. What is Nipah virus? How it can spread? What are the signs and symptoms of Nipah virus? And we will also tell you what are the preventions for it. So without any delay, let's move to the topic. Let's see what is Nipah virus. Nipah virus was discovered in 1999. Nipah virus is a member of family Paramyxoviridae genus Nipahvirus. It is a genetic virus, meaning that it initially spread between animals and people. The animal host reservoir for Nipah virus is fruit bat and also known as flying fox. Let's see how Nipah virus can spread to people. Direct contact with infected animals such as bats or pigs, or their body fluids such as blood, urine, or saliva. Consuming food products that have been contaminated with body fluids of infected animals, such as palm sap or fruit contaminated by infected bat. Close contact with person infected with Nipah virus or their body fluids, including nasal or respiratory droplets, urine, or blood. Now we will see some symptoms of Nipah virus. Infection with the Nipah virus can cause mild to severe disease, including swelling of brain and potentially death. Symptoms typically appears 4 to 14 days following exposure to the virus. The illness initially presents as 3 to 14 days of fever and headache and often includes the signs of respiratory illness such as cough, sore throat, difficulty in breathing. A phase of brain swelling may follow, where symptoms include drowsiness, disorientation, and mental confusion, which can rapidly progress to coma within 24 to 48 hours. Now we will see some preventions for Nipah virus. Practice hand washing regularly with soap and water. Avoid contact with sick bats or pigs. Avoid areas where bats are known to roost. Avoid consumption of raw dead palm sap. Avoid consumption of fruit that may be contaminated by bats. So guys, this is all about Nipah virus. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.